Hi friends, welcome back to the Alphabet Adventure. Today, we're learning about the letter I.
This is the letter I. I can make two sounds.
I,
Like in, igloo. And I. Like in, ice cream. Can you say it with me? E. And I. Great. Look at this ice cream, yum. Ice cream is a sweet treat that comes in so many flavors. What's your favorite flavor of ice cream? Now here's an igloo. Igloos are houses made of ice. They keep people warm in cold places. Isn't that cool? And here's an insect. Insects are tiny creatures with 6 legs. Can you name an insect you've seen before? Which of these starts with I? Is it the ice cream, or the dog? That's right. Ice cream starts with I. Ice cream. Igloo. Insect.
Let's pick up a book and read it now.
Ivy the iguana and the ice cream. Ivy the iguana is feeling hot. She sees an ice cream cart nearby. Ivy gets a cold ice cream cone. Yum, says Ivy. Ice cream is the best. I is for iguana. I is for ice cream.
Today, we learned all about the letter I. Ice cream. Igloo. Insect. Next time, we'll learn the letter J. Can you guess a word that starts with J? See you soon, friends. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more alphabet adventures.